Come and infill my builder gel with me. So I've got a little bit of a longer video today because I wanted to show you all of the steps. First off, you're going to debulk that nail. We're going to get all that design off and make sure you take the apex out because we're going to need to move that back a little bit. And if you are enjoying this, please do make sure you hit like and follow because we're dropping new content all the time. Now, after we've pushed the cuticles back, we want to go in with a cuticle bit to make sure that nail plate's really clean. Anything you leave on here could cause lifting. Then I will trim any excess cuticle, only the non-living tissue. We're not trimming anything that's live. Then I go in with a sanding band. Now, I actually now use a mini sanding band. I'll link it below. It's absolutely amazing. Once you've done that, go in with a round ball bit just to make sure that's lovely and smooth. So I'm going to refine the shape again a little bit more. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go in clean underneath the nails and I'll make sure I sanitize that and really dehydrate it so it's nice and clean. Then I go in with the base layer from Jellifique, give that a cure, and then I go in with a layer of the builder gel that I'm using, and I don't cure that. I'll go in with the base layer, it's called like a slip layer, and I'll do one nail at a time. So I'll do the slip layer, and then on the uncured slip layer, I will go in with a bead of the gel, and I will place that near the cuticle, and I'll just gently kind of bring that down using a floating motion. I also use a liner brush just to make sure that's really, really nice and neat, and it means that the refining afterwards is minimal. Once I've done that, I will give it a nice cure, top coat, I'll give it another refine if I need to, and then I'm done. I hope that helps, but if you do have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget your cuticle oil. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.